Hi, it's Nathy. Put this back on. Como você está? Tudo bem? Do you remember 3 words on last lesson? So it's hoje, what means today, amanhã, what means tomorrow, and ontem, what means yesterday. And today I will teach you 3 animals in Portuguese. So, the first one is gato, 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 what means cat, like meow meow cat. The next one is vaca, it's a cow. And the other word is cow, what means dog. There's another way to write dog. There is 2 ways to write dog. So one was cow, then the other one is cachorro. Cachorro. Should we say the words again? Yes. Gato, what means a cat. Vaca, what means cow. Cow, what means dog. And there's one more way to write it, dog. Cachorro. What is cachorro? Cachorro. Now we can do it without looking. The first one is gato, the other one is vaca, and then cow, and then cachorro. So there is 2 ways. There is 2 ways to say dog. Thank you for watching. Take care. Be good.